What is SmartWire? Windy City Wire's SmartWire is designed to streamline cable installations by making pulling the exact amount of cable necessary for a job as easy and as fast as possible in the field. But what makes SmartWire smart? With SmartWire, you get the convenience of fast find footage markers, making point-to-point length calculations a breeze, reducing product waste, saving time and money. You'll always know the remaining cable quantities in your RackPacks, maximizing your cable utilization and supplementing shorter runs on other jobs. And because SmartWire is available in a wide range of jacket colors and stripes, SmartWire can be customized in order to standardize and simplify every installation. As an added benefit, all Windy City Wire SmartWire is coated with innovative glide technology, a low-viscosity lubrication added during the manufacturing process that reduces friction by up to 70%. Glide coats and clings to the entire cable jacket and is included at no additional cost. Upgrade to SmartWire today and enjoy easy calculations, custom jacket colors, and SmartWire glide technology. Get SmartWire for your next project and experience the difference.